Haley.
And I'm Jordy.
And today we are going to do another how-to with Something Borrowed Blooms, where we show you how to recreate your trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk florals for rent.
So today we're going to be doing Marlowe blended with Gemma, and she wanted to see a ground arch with a budget of $1,000 to $1,500.
Yes, and all the products that we use will be listed in the description, so be sure to check that out if you are interested in renting any of these products. So for any grounded arch, we are going to start with our Floral Meadows. If your collection that you're loving does not have Floral Meadows, you can also use the Grand Centerpiece. So this is a Floral Meadow. It is on a piece of foam, and you'll just place it any surface and it'll stay as is. So we're gonna put 5 Marlowe Floral Meadows in kind of a semicircle just to start the arch.
So now we're gonna add 3 more meadows to the 2 that we have on the ground already. So that'll be a total of 5 of them.
In our favorite way to incorporate collections throughout is using posies. So a posy is essentially a smaller bouquet of each collection, and they are super easy to add throughout any piece, really. This is the best way to combine the 2. You'll just place them in. Okay, that is it. It took us less than 10 minutes, less than 5 minutes. And it really does pack a punch, and you can also use any of these pieces from your ceremony to your reception, so that is also a great tip if you want to reuse your products.
Okay, so there we have it, Marlowe blended with Gemma, a ground arch. Jamie, we hope you loved it as much as we do, and just a reminder that we have all of the products listed in the description that we used.
So a little bit about how our how-to series works. If you want to submit your own requests, be sure to fill out the form in the description with things like your budget, your inspo pick, which is the most important, your color palette, collection choice, and if you don't have a collection but you have a color palette, we'll be happy to suggest one. And yeah, we look forward to seeing all your requests and doing requests for you in the future.
If you liked today's video and want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.